One thing that's often overlooked in the protection of an interior is the leather surfaces. So leather has a different treatment than a lot of other interior surfaces because it's a living, breathing thing. So we've got our leather cleaner and our leather protector. So we decided to go with two products because when you use one product to both clean leather and protect it, you really don't get the full results. You don't clean as well as you should, and you don't protect as well as you could. So we have our leather cleaner, which is really going to get in the pores of the leather. It's important to remember that leather is a skin, essentially. It comes from an animal, and so it's got pores, it's got imperfections, and it needs to be cleaned out before you can apply any protector on there. You've got to clean that skin first, really extract all the dirt, and then hydrate it with our protector. So when you apply your Silver Wax leather cleaner, simply spray it onto the surface, and then with a small bristle brush, work the product into the leather. With very minimal pressure, the cleaner will do most of the work, just making sure you cover all the areas, not missing any spots. Once that's done, you come in with a clean, dry microfiber towel and simply wipe away any excess. And then you're ready to apply a protector. When you're hydrating using our protector, you want to make sure that you get full absorption. All right? So you apply the protector uniformly over the entire leather surface. You can come back 5-15 minutes later and see if there's any excess. If there's excess, you simply wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel and your leather is hydrated, fully hydrated and protected. If you see that your leather has drunk all of the protectant in, it means that it was really dry and in need of hydration. So you can reapply the protector on there until you see that the leather has stopped absorbing any of the protector, wipe off the excess, and then you're protected. And the reason you really want to protect your leather, keep it hydrated, is because you can't fix leather. Once it's dry and it cracks, it's cracked. There's no going back. And so that's why you want to really make sure that you keep it hydrated, keep it protected, so that you get a long life out of it and it keeps looking fresh and new for the life of the car.